moment of time.
Yep.
Potentially.
Potentially, we're gonna see. We're gonna go from a DE fifth mode to a real Nismo.
Alright, let's go. So how you feeling?
Shit, bro, I'm feeling nervous, bro. Hope it's not too good to be true, you know?
Facts. Nah, for real.
Oh, we can explain more why it's so cheap.
Old T.
Clapper.
Hey, someone come buy it. $6 grand. Stock wheels. We 12 miles out.
About to get 13 miles away, 18 minutes away.
Pulling up to Compton, about to get Sammy's new rig.
Yeah, you're gonna check it out. It's test drive.
9:30. Calm. About to get some rub after. Hopefully everything goes good with the car.
No traffic, W.
Yeah, no traffic. Outside in the static rig. VIP lane. Made just for me. But yeah, we'll update you guys when we get there.
Hopefully all goes well.
Yes, Sirski.
We
About
outside.
to get Sammy's new rig.
Yeah. About to get rigged right now. Let's see how it goes.
Dude, I'm actually too hyped to see this.
Outside, I know.
I feel like I'm just as hyped as Sammy is.
Dude, I'm excited, bro.
That's how it'd be though.
Hope it all goes well.
Facts.
We are 0.9 miles, you'll make a left. So on Compton Boulevard, you'll make a left.
Bet.
We in Compton right now. Who do we check in with? Me?
We checked in with ourselves, bruh.
We don't ask for no permission.
Hello, bro. Restock coming soon on the Cheetah plushies. Sold out twice. Restock coming soon. Pink plushies are about to sell out. Don't know when the restock's coming on these.
Yeah, you're gonna sell out.
Facts. Wearing that unreleased Superstar jacket right now.
Waiting on mine still.
On God. Nah, I'm so hyped to see rig, bro.
Dude, I know, me too.
Bro.
There it is. Hey, there it is. Hey. Oh shit!
Let's see how.
That boy cheesing in there. He's like, oh shit. He's like, there. Hey. What's up, bro?
Bruh, that speed bump was so fun, bro. So, bro, I'm Christian.
The OEM is already? Not. Well, I don't know. Yeah.
Bro, I love ZN6. I've had this car for like 6 years, bro. But I got a different one actually, manual, with less miles. But I just love like this platform, bro. It's such a good car. Definitely like perfect first starter car if you're trying to get like into the stance scene.
Yeah, that's always great.
Brother, it looks like a manual rookie. I just want to say thank you to everyone who be showing love to the brand, and like 50K is crazy in under 2 years, and just the start. About to go even crazier next year. 2026 got like hella drops planned out. We're starting it off strong with the real foxtail fur line jackets. I have a bunch of other shit. But yeah, super hyped for 2026, takeover year, for real. These just been building block years, establishing myself, and about to take over, bruh. But yeah, thank you everyone who supports the brand, and Superstar Garage for life. Become a superstar today. Superstargarage.com. Shop now. But yeah, call Mass drive to Compton. About to get some food after. Look, he's starving. New water bottle. Shout out my sister Ava. The scenes, getting some TikTok. How did it drive? I thought you were gonna stall out at first.
I gotta get used to the clutch.
No, I thought you were gonna stall out.
I thought I would see how far they did.
You could tell me, I'll get it, or pay me now, I'll get it done. The only thing is, I don't know if you want to buy it back, because you need to actually pay for it. Unless you could find someone to get it done. I know a lot of happens to be a lot of people, so I know a lot of people. I don't know if you want to stay a little more local. But if I get it done, you can come back. I don't know. I'll ask, and that was, No. Yeah. Let me just take a quick picture of them next to each other.
Bet.
Bad history. Keep going to the little.
Yeah.
I'll keep this one forever.
Alright, guys.
Thank you, bro. Again, I appreciate it.
Have a good one.
Later, bro. Have a good day.
Yeah, you too. James.
Let's see the inside real quick.
Oh, dirty, you know what? Put some things on my car in here, you know?
Which one's Sean?
What?
What number's Sean again?
We're pretty close.
Yeah, he's like 403 or something.
Yeah, 401 something.
That's lit,
Yeah,
bro.
He's got his flaws, you know?
Yeah, tell him.
Yeah, so, I mean, I'm not gonna say the price, but I got it for a really, really, really good price. I mean, you know, it's been in an accident, salvage, so.
Did you say what type of accident it was in?
No, but I'll check the Carfax. So, like, it was like collision, so airbags deployed. You know, all that's been replaced, obviously. Like, if you check the bumper and the kit, it's a rep kit, so. It's not OEM, but I mean.
Still in Nismo.
Still in Nismo. We own
True
Nismo.
to heart.
You know, these little things, like the interior, that's just kind of cooked.
Yeah.
I have some stuff I'm gonna put in anyway.
The seat's kind of chopped too.
Yeah, they're
The other one looks pretty good though.
I'm not gonna say all my plans I gotta do with it, but just know I'm gonna ruin it. You know.
Nah, there ain't no
Oh,
ruining
I'm
it
gonna
from
ruin
here.
It, no, for sure.
There's no ruining it from here. Perfect car to slam. Yeah, you could put your like other trim pieces on.
Yeah, I'm gonna put other trim. Sucks that shit's kind of scratched, but it's whatever.
Is it? Is that supposed to have one too?
Nah, it's good. Like this is the driver's side. Actually, maybe mine might.
Dude, the Nismo cluster is tough though. Damn, that's crazy. This thing's tiny.
I know. I gotta put some.
It's like a vape. Dude, that's actually crazy.
Dude, the clutch is
bro.
insane. We should just go for a drive though.
Yeah, I'm down. Let me lock my car. Hey, this door works good compared to your other one. Bro, this is actually crazy. Need exhaust on this bitch. Hey, that's real power on a 6.
Don't mind my driving, guys. It's just like an OEM clutch. I am not used to this clutch. Shit.
They drive like that, just different clutch, or
It's a different clutch, bro.
you're
So
just
like,
not used to it?
yeah. It's because I think you guys said it's aftermarket, but like it still feels like an OEM clutch.
Wait, why aren't you scraping on the speed bump, bro?
Hey, make sure I'm clear.
Hey, shout out Kobe, bro. Definitely not clear. Not clear. Not clear. You're clear after this truck, but then there's another truck. You're good. You're good. Go. Still good. VQ! VQ, brother!
Hey, let me mark. You know what Nismo is, little bro? You know what an HR is, little bro?
Nismo looks maxing though.
Oh god. I used to be sub 5. Maybe HTN, high tier normie. Now we chat light.
You need to check tire pressure looking before you go home.
Yours or mine?
Yours.
Okay.
I need to check mine too, just in case, but.
Hey, you got that thing in your car that you got for Christmas?
Yeah.
Fuck it up. It's like crazy fast.
We lit. Dude, this shit's tough, bro.
Just gear a little bit. Don't mind that. Nah, that shit feels crazy fast already. I mean, like,
No, it feels way faster than your other one even. Dude, slam 3 pieces. This shot is gonna be tough.
hey, you wanna buy my Nismo stocks, but I don't need them.
Yeah.
The world.
Hey, tell them how much.
Like 2.5.
Nah, dude, Nismo's tough.
Nah, Nismo's insane. Dude.
Nah, dude, that's actually lit.
It's gonna take a while to get used to this clutch, bro. I look-y hate it. But whatever. So,
No, that is cooked.
like, you're gonna drive it, bro, you're probably gonna stall out, bro. I was looking getting into this car expecting it to be like an OEM clutch, how it feels, and I hate how it feels. It's like I'm wearing main or like
Nah, facts.
yes.
Nismo 466. Dude, one more would have been 6.7.
Fudge!
That would have been crazy.
Dude, that would've been lit!
That actually been crazy. You think she knows about the 6.7, bro?
Think she knows about ball?
Damn, someone's hanging out that full trunk, bro. Alright, this is what looks maxing is.
Oh.
Holy aura.
Should I hit it?
Holy aura.
Dude.
Hey, free promotion, but anyone who has a static car, or even just a car in general, y'all should cop this Halo. It will fill your tires up, it will jumpstart your car, you could charge Type-C, USB, a wall plug-in. Like, that shit's actually crazy. I'm about to do mine after. I'm gonna wash my car, but it's about... When it's winter, bro, it's hard washing your car because then it just rains and then it's cooked. I need to put my camera away, bro. It's raining. But yeah, we out here. Compton, Sammy's got a new whip. We hyped. Fixing the tire pressure real quick. Bro said he recognized me from TikTok from the Garsons. You have Garson drug C's?
Boy, you got 6-inch lip Vienna cruises?
What you get, Sammy?
I got asada fajitas and shit. Michelada.
Got mango nada.
If you know me, you know I'm a Michi
California burrito. I'm a California burrito guy. Bro, this shit's massive too. Yo, we're on the way home. Sammy's a little bit behind me. But yeah, I'm hyped that like everything went smooth and we're coming home with the Nismo. And I'm hyped to see like when he swaps all his parts on, and I'm gonna vlog all of it. So make sure you guys stay tuned and watch the build to come. Nismo finally. Super upgrade from DE, that's for sure. Sammy's old car has like 200,000 miles too, so it's definitely like a massive upgrade.
What the hell? Let's run and boot up. They drop the dead, so I'm not gon' diss them back. Fuck that, I'm suited up. They homie, yeah, tryna have a scandal like fuck that.